Like many children, I absolutely adored playing with Barbie, dressing her up, cruising around in her pink car, and playing in her make-believe house. Now that I've grown up, my interests have shifted towards more serious matters like dressing myself up, cruising around in a real car, and slowly creating my own home. However, something interesting recently caught my attention. A new Barbie movie is on the horizon, and there are even Airbnbs that have been transformed into life-size Barbie dollhouses. Whilst they all look really cool, I don't think any adults can actually live in these highly saturated and crazily colourful spaces. So it got me thinking, is it possible to create a Barbie-themed interior that adults actually want to live in? To make it extra interesting, I decided to use AI to help me imagine such spaces. What defines a Barbiecore aesthetic? Colours. Think vibrant and saturated hues such as pink, purple, and pastel blue. Materials. A blend of plastic, acrylic, shiny chrome, and plushy fur. And patterns such as stripes, polka dots, and florals. I'll be leveraging the power of Midjourney to create the visuals. It's a platform known for its hyper-realistic design outputs, so I went ahead and subscribed to their plan. I downloaded Discord to access their interface and even researched helpful prompts shared by Midjourney expert named Nick Floats, who frequently tweets about his creative process. So I'll input a combination of prompts carefully curated from my conversations with ChatGPT into Midjourney. And here are some of the creations. So what I've noticed in the first round of prompting is that the colors are quite desaturated, and whilst it's very realistic for a real home, it's actually not so close to the Barbie aesthetic that we're trying to recreate. So I'm gonna do some adjusting and make everything a little bit more dramatic and saturated, and yeah, let's see what we can come up with. These are so beautiful. I'm gonna have so much fun.